everyone, welcome back to another video. Behind me is a 2022 Jeep Gladiator fresh off the dealership lot, and here at Fortec we made a few modifications, so let's check it out. Okay, so one of the first things you'll notice on this 2022 Gladiator is just how high it's actually sitting. We have a 3.5-inch lift by JKS on it, and that's to hold these big ass Mickey Thompson 37-inch Baja Boss all-terrain tires. And that's wrapped around, of course, black Rhino 20-inch by 9.5. These are called the Holcomb, that's the model. And all together it kind of ties in the vehicle and gives it a really nice aggressive stance, and it looks beautiful. We installed N-FAB Predator Pro down steps, so help you get in and out, and they come in handy, trust me. Another addition to the Gladiator is the rough country tonneau cover that we installed, giving it kind of a nice sleek design that would look like it came from factory, which is really cool. And then of course my favorite are these Oracle LED flush tail lights that we installed. It's just, to me, it's the little things like that, small details that really make a vehicle like this stand out. So that was a quick little walk around of the 2022 Gladiator that we had here at Fortec. Hope you liked the video. There's more to come. Remember to subscribe and smash that like button and comment, and follow us on Instagram. You know, all that mumbo and jumbo. I'm gonna take this puppy for a ride, but I have to return it. So I'll see you guys later. Peace.